Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF file security. And in this video, I will show you how to prevent people from editing your PDF file without any stress or for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your web browser. Then we make sure you go ahead and visit this particular website right here, pdf2go.com. Hit enter, and then in a few seconds, it takes you to their official web page right here. Next thing you want to do is to come to the all tools right here. Then you want to make sure you go to protect PDF. The next thing you want to do right here is to allow it to load up right here. Go ahead and click on choose file. The next thing you want to do here is to locate the PDF file that you want to use right here. So I have my PDF file right here. So I'm going to use this particular PDF file. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on open. So successfully upload to the site. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Then set a password to open the document. So I'm going to go ahead and enter password. Make sure you can always remember the password that you set right here, and then retype the password to confirm. Then here, the permissions right here, we want to prevent people from editing this PDF. Select this particular prevent editing. Then enter the permission password. So should in case if anybody wants to edit the PDF, they still need to have a password to do so. So for that, we want to go ahead and enter a password and confirm the password right here. Then come down below right here. Make sure you enable rasterize. Then go ahead and click on start. Successfully done. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on download right here. Click on download. And here we go. I'm going to go ahead and save this in my download folder right here. Then I'm going to name it prevent editing. Okay, then I'm going ahead and click on save right here. Then we come here and it has been successfully saved right here. So you can see now it's asking for password just for me to open it. So I'm going to go ahead now and enter the lock password. Then it's going to open just like what you see right here. Now let's check on the PDF security right here. So I'll go ahead and click on menu right here. Then I go to protection, security property right here. Then here we go. Now you can see the security property right here. Copy content is allowed. Then filling of form field not allowed. Signing is not allowed. Then page extraction is not allowed. Commenting is not allowed. Document assembly is not allowed. It's that simple. So this is how to secure your PDF file from editing or copy, as the case may be. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this about PDF security, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you